So today's practical for industrial pharmacy of fifth semester BPharm is the evaluation of paracetamol tablet. The aim of the experiment is to carry out the evaluation of the supplied paracetamol tablet. The apparatus required are electron balance, digital vernier calipers, Monsanto type hardness tester, disintegration tester, Roche fibrillator. The theory is to determine the appearance of the tablet, shape and size, thickness, hardness, uniformity of weight, fiability test, disintegration test. Then batch quantity is randomly selected 20 tablets. The procedure for general appearance is the color, odor, surface, shape and size of the tablets were determined. The thickness test is the thickness of the tablets were measured by using digital vernier calipers. A deviation of not more than 5% is permitted. Then the hardness test, it is the force required to break or crack the tablets. The hardness is done manually by Monsanto type hardness tester. Then the fiability test is in order to withstand vibration and impact during manufacturing and transportation, this test is performed. This test is done by the help of a Roche fibrillator. About 20 tablets are randomly selected and weighed. It is then placed in the fibrillator chamber. The height of the fibrillator chamber is 6 cm or 6 inch, from which the tablets fall down. The fibrillator was subjected to rotate at 25 rpm or 4 minutes. The fiability will be determined from the following formula. The percentage fiability is equal to initial weight minus final weight by initial weight of the tablet into 100. Then weight variation test. By the test, the uniformity of the tablet is measured. 20 tablets are randomly selected and their individual weights as well as average weight were taken. They are calculated by the given formula. That is, weight variation test is equal to average weight of the tablet minus individual weight of the tablet by average weight of the tablet into 100. The disintegration test will be done by using disintegration test apparatus, in which 6 tablets were taken and suspended in a beaker containing specified liquid media, maintaining at 37 degrees centigrade plus minus 2 degrees centigrade. This apparatus was allowed to move up and down at 28 to 32 cycle per minute until the tablet breaks. The time at which the tablet breaks into small pieces is the disintegration time. Now, the general appearance test will be done by taking the paracetamol tablets. This is the paracetamol tablets. The color of the paracetamol tablet is white. The odor is odorless. The surface of the paracetamol tablet will be determined by touching this. This is smooth. Then the shape and size of the tablets were determined. This is the vernier calipers. The size and shape of the tablets were determined through this equipment. Now take one tablet and keep this tablet between the two jaws of the vernier caliper. Now this is the diameter of the tablet, that is 12.64 mm. The diameter of tablet was now determined. This is the thickness of the tablet. The thickness of the tablet was now determined, that is 4.37 mm. So you have to determine the size of the tablet by taking 5 tablets. ହେଇଗଲା କି ତାହେଲେ ଚାଲ ହେନ୍କେ ଚାଲ ତାପରେ ଇନ୍କେ ଆସ ବାଲାନ୍ସ 10टा टेबलेट धरिक चल सब धरिक चल 10टा टेबलेट बाहर कर देना इन रखा ना पेपर रखा चल ना बैलेंस चले जाए सब बाहर कर रख 10टा टेबलेट नहीं जमा So you have to take one electronic balance, digital balance, to weigh the different tablets, that is 10 tablets. This is the weight variation test to determine the uniformity of weight of the tablets. Now we start the weighing. So this is the first weight of the tablet. So you have to weigh about 10 tablets or 20 tablets. So the weights will be written on a paper. In this way you have to weigh the 10 tablets, individual tablets. Now you have to weigh the total weight of 10 tablets by keeping this tablet on a balance. So this is the total weight of 10 tablets. From these 10 tablets the average will be determined. The average weight of the determined, you have to determine the weight variation test. So the average weight of the tablet minus individual weight by the average weight of the tablets into 100. This is the weight variation test tabulation. So you have to write in this way, that is the number of tablets. You will take 10 tablets, then write the 10 tablets. You will take 20 tablets, then write the weight of the 20 tablets. So this is the weight of the tablets in gram. Then percentage variation will be determined by following the given formula. Now we are going to do the test for friability test of the tablets. This is the friability test apparatus. This is the drums fitted, and this is the tablet collector. You have to collect the tablet after friability on this container. So this is the friability test apparatus. Different knobs are there to do the friability test. Now select the drums. You have to select the single drum by pressing this knob. Then the weight of the tablets were written over this display, or you have to do that manually. Now that is the count part, and the tablets will be counted for 4 minutes. Now start. After selecting the single drum, you have to put the weight. Now we are going to start the friability. Now put the 10 tablets in single drum, this drum, You have to take the 10 tablets and put in this way in the drum. Now start the fiability test for about 100 counts. In this way the drum is moving. This is the height part, about 6 inches height. The tablet is falling from 6-inch height. Now the priority test was completed. Now the priority test was now completed. Then take this tablet for final weighing. So you have to weigh the tablets again. Now after fiability test, the tablets are now again weighed in the balance and gone through the calculation part. This is the fiability test calculation part. The initial weight of the tablet was written, then final weight of the tablet was written, then percentage fiability was determined by applying this formula, that is initial weight minus final weight by initial weight into 100. So the percentage will be about 0.8% to 1%. This is the standard fiability test value. In this way you will determine the fiability test. This is the fiability test calculation part. Initial weight of the tablet is taken, then final weight of the tablet is taken, then the fiability test formula is, that is initial weight minus final weight by initial weight into 100. So in this way you will calculate the fiability test. This is the hardness tester apparatus, Monsanto type. This is the scale, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 kg per cm square. Each division is, that is 0.5 kg. This is the marker or pointer. So you have to select the 0 point mark, that is this. By rotating this rotor, you have to adjust the instrument to 0. Then the tablet will be kept in this area. This is the tablet. So one depression is there. You have to keep the tablet here in this way and rotate this hardness tester. Hello, this is the, you have to rotate the hardness tester in this way by keeping this tablet here. So now it was fitted completely. Now the pointer is here now. So the pointer will be displaced from this place to 0 part by opening this screw. So you have to adjust that 0 part. Then after adjusting that, you have to rotate the rotor. Now start the hardness testing. So you have to rotate until it breaks. Now the tablet was bracked completely. So yet then record the hardness test value from this scale. So now it is 15 something there, 15 or 16 is there. So you have to deduct that from 5, you have to deduct the 16 value minus 5, that is 10 or 11 kg per cm square. Then you will write the hardness value on a paper. You have to do the hardness test for 5 tablets and write on a paper, and the value will be written on the record. Now again do the same procedure for the second tablet. In this way you will keep the tablet, and then this is the initial pointer mark, that is 5.5. So you have to record that, then rotate for breaking up tablet. Now the tablet was bracked completely. Now write the hardness. So this is now 16 or 17. So from 17 you have to deduct the initial pointer point, that is 5.5. So the value is 11.5. In this way you have to do the hardness test for the 5 tablets and write all the values on the record. So this is the disintegration test apparatus for tablet, and this is the main knob switch. This is the switch for motor rotating, and this is the thermostat for temperature setting. So you have to put the water here in this way. You have to put the water here. This is the basket. You have to put the tablets, 6 tablets here. Before that you have to heat. This is the thermostat. This is the heater part. So you have to start the main. You have to start the main switch on. Then on the heater, that is 37 degrees centigrade. You have to maintain the temperature up to 37 degrees centigrade. So this is the temperature knob. You have to maintain that 37 degrees centigrade. Then wait for some time to heat the water. Now the water was heated. You will take one thermometer to check the temperature of the water, that is 37 degrees centigrade. Now the temperature reaches it, that is 37 degrees centigrade. So now we are going to start the disintegration of the tablet. This is the tablet. You have to take from these 6 tablets you will take. Now put the different tablets on the basket. 6 tablets were put into the water. Now start. This is the disintegration test. All the tablets were disintegration is going on now. For complete breaking, after complete breaking of tablet, you will read the disintegration. Now you see that all the tablets were broken down completely and filtered and goes into the water part. Now stop the motor and record the disintegration time and write on the record.